Hi, I'm Cindy, and I'm here to show you how to install the Tred Zip Folio from Haven. This folio is our slimmest and most protective work-in-case solution, providing drop protection of up to 6 feet. The Tred Zip Folio was developed from the ground up for K-12 with input from tech directors across the country. Installing your Chromebook into the Tred Zip Folio is a quick and simple process. Simply slide the bottom of your Chromebook into the corner pouches. Next, pull one of the clips and slide it onto the side of the Chromebook. Then take the other clip and do the same. You can now zip up the case and you're done! To add the detachable pouch, simply slide in the plastic clips into the loops. And once they're in, be sure to snap the ends to secure it. Installing it shouldn't take more than 30 seconds, and with practice, we won't be surprised if you can install it in 10 seconds or less. Haven, the safe haven for your mobile technology deployment.